Ay, meron pang blue. May blue na malaki. May blue na malaki.
Oo nga.
Oh, nice. Yay! Yung blue na malaki ayaw umakyat. Ayan, ayan.
Saan yung blue na?
Rainbow fish, I think.
Ayun, nandun sa ilalim eh. It's not actually a rainbow fish.
No, the other one kanina was rainbow fish. The multicolored one.
Yeah.
See, oh.
Yay!
See, oh.
Isu.
May nahulog pa na plastic sa ilalim eh. Yes, they're coming! They're coming! Yay! The big fish! There's the blue one coming! Ayan! Pucha, laki-laki kasi niya. Ang lakas ng ano. Dito ko sa tabi mo. Okay, thank you. Yeah. The blue fish doesn't want to come up.
May fog. Ganito pag may fog. Ganyan mo. Buksan mo din.
Up here.
Species.
Okay? Para clear na naman yung makikita mo. Okay? Ugasan mo.
Diyan sa may area mo, sweetie. Yun, kasi tinatamaan ng ano eh, bamboo.
Hindi, ugasan mo muna yung ano. Para, kasi
Oh, it's
nag-fog.
a multicolored fish.
There. There.
Okay?
Oh, the big ones are coming up then, pero black
Ayusin mo.
one.
Para hindi ka makano ng
The blue one is not coming up.
Oh, there's one that colors orange, oh.
Yeah, like.
Brown, orange.
The blue one, where are you? Actually, there's so many at the bottom of the sea.
We can see the multicolored. The seahorse says to the little fish.
You call it
Would you
parrot
like
piece.
to ride with me? I'll take you to the ocean floor at the bottom of the sea. There's so many things, but you never see a great big whale and a shark.
Nakasabi.
I'll take you back to mother fish before it gets too dark.
Is it that fish boy or a girl?
Ang tatamaan siya ng
I don't know. Oh my gosh, look, oh, it's so pretty, that fish. The one, there, oh.
There?
Is it a boy or a
The
girl?
one bottom below, the one with the orange, green, whatever, purple. It's so pretty.
Oh, yes, I see it.
Rainbow fish.
It's so pretty, oh my god.
There, oh, it's hide.
Butterfly. It's so pretty.
Are
Because the
all
fishes are edible.
I think it's more on the light hitting the
all
scales,
the-
so it changes color.
It's so pretty, oh my gosh. That one, oh, it's so pretty.
Take picture.
The seahorse said to the little fish,
Can I touch you?
would you like to ride with me?
No!
I cannot touch them, right?
To the ocean.
Kanya mo yung
Megatron version.
Horses, so that's
Love the fishes.
Look, Tatay, be ready. I have dinurog na bread on my hand. There.
Wait, can I call it a kingdom of fishes?
Kinagat.
The black one! Chuk! Akala niya bread pa.
Aray, ang sakit.
But it's not. It's not masakit.
It tickles,
because
no?
they don't have teeth naman.
It tickles, no?
Wow, the color, the multicolored fish one is look like a
Nagitla
butterfly.
sila.
Ay, ay, ay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that one's so pretty.
Yeah, the one at the bottom, no?
Yeah, it's so
Pink,
pretty.
green,
Yeah.
blue.
Different colors.
The seahorse said to the little fish. Well, that one also, oh. Would you like to ride with me?
Ano?
I'll
Yeah.
take you to the
pagtapos ito,
ocean
malapit
floor
na.
at
In
the
2 minutes, I'm
bottom
done.
of the
Wala pa ng 2
sea.
minutes.
There's so many things, but but you'll
fish for the
never
night show.
Say
a
bye-bye,
big
fishy.
whale and a short.
Oy, say bye fishes na.
Enjoy your days,
I'll
fish.
take you back to Mother
Alright.
Fish before it gets too dark. Okay.
Done.